MaxLite offers a universal commercial downlight frame plate for 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch round LED downlights. The construction plate can be installed in either a wood joist or a suspended T-grid ceiling. The product comes as a 2-pack with 2 sets of parts in the box. Let's take a look at how to assemble it. Begin by laying out the parts. From here, we'll take out the plate and attach the J-box bracket. It's important to bend the tabs on the J-box bracket after putting it into position to secure it in place. Once done, clip on each of the cover plates. Next, we'll demonstrate how to attach the hanger bars for projects where they are necessary for proper installation. All we need to do here is align the holes on one of the 2 hanger bars with the matching holes on the plate. Once in position, secure the bar in place with the included screws. We'll now repeat the same process on the other side of the plate to finish assembling the universal commercial frame. Before installing, use some cutting pliers to cut the frame using whichever marked guides match the diameter of your downlight. That's it! The universal commercial frame is now ready to be installed. Thanks for watching.